Today we take a look at the most popular carry-on bags of 2024. Each with unique features, they make traveling more comfortable and allow you to carry your belongings safely. By watching this video, you will discover which carry-on bag is best for you and enjoy the convenience of your travels. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel and turn on notifications so you don't miss any new videos. Let's start now. The Basics Hardside Spinner from Amazon maneuvers smoothly, especially on carpet and difficult bumps. With its scratch-resistant outer layer, it can withstand drops and knocks. Many items can easily fit without even having to expand the bag. It also offers various advantages to users with 4 different color options. Apart from that, Amazon Basics Hardside Spinner dimensions are 22x 15x 10 inches. The worst feature of the product is that it does not have any smart features and combination lock. In general, Amazon Basics Hardside Spinner provides the advantage of a lightweight and flexible suitcase, while its outer layer ensures that items remain safe and secure during the travel process. This product from DELC Paris, which is on the list of the best trolley luggage, is made of crack and break resistant material. The product is made of 100% polycarbonate, with a deep metallic coating and has 8 wheels. The double swivel wheels provide exceptional maneuverability. For ease of use, it has a comfortable grip system that locks in 2 positions. The size of the bag is 20.5x 14.5x 10 inches. There are 2 large compartments with multiple pockets and 2 fully lined compartments for better organization of all your belongings. Web straps and a zipper divider secure clothes and minimize wrinkles. The Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry-On is highly durable with leather corner strips and chrome material. The product can easily maneuver on 4 wheels and offers a smoother sliding and turning motion. Moreover, this product has smart connections. There is a USB port with a special pocket for the power bank. However, a power bank is required to use the charging feature of the product. Apart from that, the expanded size of the bag is 23.5x 14.5x 9 inches. Overall, the Travel Pro Platinum Elite Carry provides a larger storage space with its compression system. Thanks to its design, it offers the possibility to move effortlessly at the airport, on the street, or at a different point. Away, the CarryOn Flex is one of the best trolley luggage products. This durable trolley provides more space with a compression system and 2 large internal compartments. Moreover, mesh pockets can be used to organize smaller items, and items can be secured from the other side by simply zipping them from one side. At the same time, the expanded size of the bag is 22.7x 14.7x 9.6 inches. There are also soft wheels that swivel in all directions, different handle height options, and a notch at the bottom of the bag. This notch makes it easier to lift the bag. Overall, the CarryOn Flex is equipped with many details for carrying items. Simpatico from Briggs Riley has an extremely robust and shock-absorbing outer layer. It is easy to maneuver on hard floors, carpets, tight corners, and all bumps. The product has many pockets and compartments. At the same time, the size of the product is 22x 14x 9 inches. In addition, the suitcase has a USB port. Overall, this product makes traveling more practical thanks to its 360-degree swivel wheels. At the same time, its reliable performance thanks to its polycarbonate shell gives its users an advantage. For this reason, it offers an advantageous use for traveling.